Suffering from sinus congestion or cough? Try this powerful natural remedy. Clove steam. Here's how. Number 1. Clove steam is simply inhaling vapor from boiled cloves infused in water. Number 2. Cloves contain eugenol, a natural compound that reduces inflammation and kills germs. Number 3. This steam helps loosen mucus in the lungs and nasal passages, making breathing easier. Number 4. Clove vapor fights bacteria, plus viruses, giving natural support during colds. Number 5. Clears blocked sinuses, relieves sinus pressure and headaches. Number 6. Reduces throat irritation and coughing by soothing inflamed tissues. Number 7. Improves airflow by opening the nasal passages and relaxing airways. Number 8. Add 3 to 4 cloves to boiling water. Let it simmer for 2 to 3 minutes. Number 9. Turn off heat. Lean over the pot, cover head with towel, inhale steam. Number 10. Breathe slowly for 5–10 minutes to feel relief. Number 11. Helpful for sinusitis, cough, cold, blocked nose, sore throat. Number 12. The aroma also calms the mind, reducing stress and promoting relaxation. Number 13. Do not inhale too close. Steam may be hot. Children should be supervised. So yes, clove steam is an easy, powerful remedy to relieve sinus congestion and cough. Naturally. Try it when you feel blocked or irritated. Like, share, and follow for more natural healing tips.